What was your understanding of Germany before you got there and then when you were there, since you grew up with a family who had some exposure to the war?
My parents didn't tell me anything. When we lived in Fort Leavenworth, I was maybe 10 or 11, and I remember the bus stop, somebody talking about showers that weren't showers, that were poison gas, and I remember going home and asking my mother and saying, I heard the craziest thing. I had no idea that it was true, and that was when my mother told me a little bit about it. And the other, when I was even younger than that, going through, my family had the photo album stuck away, and I found an album with pictures that I did not understand because they looked like piles of dead bodies. And I just thought, they can't be what they look like. But my father's battalion at the end of the war had liberated the subcamp of Mauthausen, and those were the pictures. And why my parents left them for a 9-year-old to find, I don't know. But they're at the Holocaust Museum in Washington now.